lovers! Happy Sunday from Sicily and welcome to this live broadcast. Welcome to Sicily and welcome to Collesano. How are you guys? Love to see you again. It's an hot Sunday here in Sicily because we are suffering the Scirocco wind from Africa and I'm very wet today, so cold, so hot, sorry. So, this time we will discover Collesano. Collesano is a small village in the province of Palermo. We are in the, it's a small village, a medieval village that belongs to Madonie Nature Reserve. And it's very famous for Targa Florio, one of the most famous and oldest car sport racing that we have here in Sicily and Italy. So it's time to discover maybe your hometown. If you have a Sicilian origin here in Collesano, this will be your chance to discover the hometown of your ancestors. And before starting, please, I would like to check the audio, so please write in the comments if the audio is good. And let's start! Picciotti, come siete? Mi sentiti? So before starting, please let me say thanks to Daniela for these beautiful crochet earrings. And the coffa, the shape reminds our Sicilian bag named coffa. And of course, maybe you can find on our Sicily Lover store. It's coming soon. And guys, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very glad to introduce you my guide here in Collesano, a proud native. And put your thumbs up for Giusi!
Hi everybody! Ciao Picciotti e Picciotti!
Ciao Giusi!
I'm Giusi Dolce. I live in Collesano in this beautiful village in the park of Madonie, a geopark UNESCO. Collesano is an old medieval village of Norman origin, situated in the park, situated in the park of the Madonie. Allora, Collesano is in a unviable position in between near the sea and the mountain. For example, it's possible to visit Cefalù an half hour and a famous tourist zone for the sea, or Piano Battaglia, well-known ski area. Are you ready to discover Collesano?
So, Giusi, we start from the Mother Church, right?
Okay, yes.
So this is the Mother Church.
Okay, the first step is the Basilica of St. Peter or Mother Church. Built in the 16th century, it was consecrated in 1548. The facade was profoundly modified at the start of the 20th century. Interesting is this access stairway. Let's go. Amoni.
Amoni.
Out
let's go
in
inside.
The church.
So let's go inside the church.
Yeah.
Look at the sky, guys. This is not our blue sky.
Hey.
This is not our Sicilian blue sky. It's so gray today because the Scirocco winds is here from Africa, and so it's very hot. A Picciotta a casa suscia, senti
Alessia.
Cauro.
Macauro. African hot.
Picciotto cauro non si può capire di oggi. Qua abbiamo 40 gradi e siamo in mezzo di montagne e fa un cauro che si muore.
Allora.
Chiesa le mascherine.
Sì, sì. Up the mask.
perché sennò poi la pioggia si vede.
Maybe
Sì, sì.
inside the church we can enjoy some fresh air, sorry.
Ok. Attenta al gradino. Devi inquadrare questo. Allora, first of all, allora, la Proloco di Collesano vuole ringraziare la diocesi di Cefalù per aver concesso le riprese all'interno della basilica.
So let's say thanks to the church to let us enter in this beautiful church.
Allora, this church has 3 naves. Inside there are a lot of masterpieces to visit. In the third nave there is a suspended crucifix with Madonna and Saint Giovanni, supported by an extraordinary wooden apparatus datable to half of 16th century. This artwork is sculpture and picture too. Camminiamo. Camminiamo e inquadri lì dietro. On the back is painted the Resurrection of Christ by the painter Antonello Villaro in 1555. Very interesting is also the organ by Antonello Lavalle in 1627. Gli affreschi ora lì. In the presbytery there are a splendid cycle of frescoes with the stories of Saint Peter and Paul, a story to the life of Christ by Gaspare Bassano, the painter from Gangi, known as the Zoppo di Gangi, made in 1624. Puoi entrare. Cioè, puoi girare pure. Navata a destra, gira di qua. In the right nave there is another important masterpiece, a wonder marble tabernacle from the end of 15th century attributed to Gaggini. This same masterpiece is also in other two churches, in other two villages in the Madonie, Isnello and Castelbuono. And there is also the chapel of Santissimo Sacramento. In the left nave, there is a chapel of Maria Santissima dei Miracoli, the patron saint of Collesano. This spectacular picture is from the 16th century and represents the Annunciation. In origin, this masterpiece was located in the middle castle of Collesano. After a miracle of the daughter of the rich family that lived there, that after a fall from the window of the castle, this little girl was safe. And she said that the lady in the painting had saved her. This picture was donated to the church. A lot of miracles are documented. The strong popular devotion of this image to Collesano and not only is very much felt. Every year, this picture is carried in a procession through the streets of the village on the afternoon on 27 May, and in May it is located in the central nave. This procession is unique for the emotion that it suscits in all participants. This is the sacrestia.
Grazie.
Grazie, ringraziamo Giacomo.
Tutti i preti e i cardinali.
Ah sì,
There was all the
Passate a Collesano.
famous priest of Collesano.
ringraziamo ancora la diocesi di Cefalù, Don Franco e Giacomo per averci aperto le porte della chiesa.
Grazie.
Grazie ancora.
We can take off the mask. Wow, what a beautiful church.
Cosa dicono? Cosa dicono? Ci piace sto paese? Vi piace sto paese?
Giusi is curious. Are you amazing about this church? Please write in the comments, and also please write in the comments if the audio is still good, because we are wearing this wireless microphone, and so sometimes they could don't work.
No,
tu hai il microfono
sì,
acceso? Sì,
ah, sì, sì. No.
Sicuro?
Ancora c'è un bel po' di giro che dobbiamo fare qua, quindi non ci arriviamo subito. Non ci arrivi tu con l'orario.
Oh, also the back of the church is very nice.
C'è. però dico non ora.
Cosa fare? Andiamo subito da chiesa e poi scendendo.
Oh, ciao Frank. Frank is watching me, my English teacher. So please forgive my bad English and send me messages about my mistakes. Giusi,
Sì,
andiamo? Ha il microfono aperto.
Sì. Allora, this is...
Giusi, are you
aspetta,
happy to
aspetta.
show your hometown to our friends?
Yeah. Allora, we are in Chiano Misericordia.
So let me show.
Okay. Chiano Misericordia. This is a subject urban space between the modern church and the Palace Fatta del Bosco. This area is so called Chiano Misericordia because it takes its name for the church of the same name. This is the master. This is a medieval watchtower. It was annexed to the left side of the modern church during its construction, 16th century. It developed on 3 elevations. Particular is this elegant window opens in the second on a small column with a capital. Ti porta a vedere un piccolo scorcio
Unde mi porti ora?
a vedere un piccolo scorcio di Collesano.
Che cavolo, picciotto,
Cavolo,
potete capire,
rimorire.
tagliate tutta surata sugno, tagliate, pibuagio sta facendo. I'm doing this live broadcast just for you because you are my beautiful family Sicily lovers, and so everything I do for you with a lot of passion. Oh, I forgot to say
Cortina
hello to
Iacuzzi.
Gianca. Gianca maybe is watching me. I'm alone today, so I'm a free woman today. Oh, look at this beautiful corner.
Buongiorno signor. Buon pomeriggio, siamo in diretta con
Buongiorno.
l'America. Può salutare?
Mi facessi un bello saluto?
Un saluto. Grazie, grazie.
Che bellicura che c'ha la
Hai visto?
signora.
Hai visto? A chi si sui soi? Cura lei?
Beautiful
Ah,
flowers.
un vicino? Mamma mia che...
Cauro, mi senti signora?
A voglia, vero?
Arrivederci.
Arrivederci.
Oh, it's perfect for me because I'm very small, so it's perfect for me. Maybe Gianca doesn't pass this tunnel. I miss my blue sky. Look at the sky, it's so gray because of the Scirocco wind.
In the street.
Guys, don't
Gaspare-
forget to share this live broadcast with your friends. This is the first part of the live broadcast dedicated to Collesano. And then we have the second part, the third part, so you can enjoy in a easy way this walking tour of Collesano. Unde andiamo ora?
O palazzo, in sto palazzo, ci vuoi stare qua, dale. Allora, this is Palace Fatta del Bosco. Built in the 18th century by the noble family Fatta del Bosco, it is located in the street Francesco Crispi in the history center on 2 elevations. It has a facade in Baroque style and a suggestive portal, windows and balcony. Inside there is a big open space, a courtyard with a beautiful garden.
Giusi, today Collesano is very quiet because it's Sunday, and so the most of people enjoy the beach, right?
C'è cavolo, cercano fresco. Acqua, buongiorno, no?
Buonasera!
Buonasera, Angelo, buonasera. Allora, this is a private house with a lot of
Buonasera,
green.
signora!
Signora!
Oh, look at this beautiful
signora.
lady wearing a beautiful red t-shirt.
Mi stato portando.
America, America, in Australia, in tutto il mondo in pratica stanno vedendo. A chi? Ci
Mi fa un bello
piace?
saluto, signora.
Allora,
Mi facessi un bello saluto, parenti in Nava America, in
In
Canada.
America veramente ci si
In
vede che ci potessero dire, però...
non ci vanno, sono a fare.
No.
Allora, che è sua su bello giardino? Lo posso inquadrare?
This is the house of...
C'è scritto questo?
Sì, brava, sì. Allora, this is the nature lover, beauty lover, green lover to this lady. Ma quanto ci sta a preparare queste cose? Mezz'ora? Ma
she needs
questi
half
virdi
hour
belle
to-
cucciure, è una cosa
put water.
veramente, cioè uno appena lo vede viene un cuore, ma come fa? Passione, vero? Che cos'è? Passione e amore, ne cose ci vuole, vero? Se no finì. The secret is love and passion.
For
Simple.
everything, for everything. The only secret, love and passion.
Love and passion.
And of course, a beautiful family of Sicily lovers. What are you doing, guys? How are you doing this day, this Sunday?
America è a finire.
Signora, la saluto.
Allora, la ringraziamo veramente
Grazie.
per averci fatto vedere la sua casa e questo bel verde.
Mettene su Facebook che hanno
Già in
su
diretta,
Facebook
già in
siamo, poi ci
America
diamo pace.
subito, avevano tutte. Avevano tutto il mondo, vero? Grazie.
Arrivederci. Là?
We are in Square Garibaldi.
Wow, another beautiful corner.
Okay. Allora, this is Church of St. James. It was built at the end of the 15th century. It conserves this original portal in Gothic Catalan style. Interesting is the wooden statue of Saint James the Apostle and some frescoes by Giuseppe Salerno. Next to the church, there is the Two Taps fountain.
Oh, water for me.
Acqua fresca!
Rifrescavo in antica.
It was collocated there in 1877, lower down than the square. Many people come here to feel this fresh water. It's free, no pay.
So, can I drink?
Yeah.
Wow. I'm not sure if I want to drink, but for sure it's time to wet my face. Oh, guys.
Arriffiscaste, vero?
So hot today. Amoni, potremmo ir allora.
Allora, finiamo qui questo...
Questa è la fine. So, guys.
Please
Settle
attention.
down. Come here, Giusi. Close to me.
Ok.
So guys, this is the end of the first live broadcast. Yes. We will see you again live in
10 minutes.
So just a time to reach the other point. Next step is the castle of Collesano. Yes, so stay tuned. In the meantime, please share this live broadcast.
See you later.
Put your thumbs up and send us your love and also your fresh air. Because it's so hot today. Love, hugs, and kisses from
Sicily.
See you in 5 or 10 minutes for the second part dedicated to Collesano. Again, if you missed the beginning of this live broadcast, we are in Collesano, a small medieval village in the area of Madonie Nature Reserve. We are in the province of Palermo and we are discovering this beautiful small village. And see you later.
See you later.
Ciao dear Sicily lovers, live again. Welcome to Collesano, welcome to this live broadcast, welcome to Sicily. This is the second part of this live broadcast dedicated to Collesano. Collesano is a small village in the Madonia area, and if you miss the first part of this tour dedicated to this village, you can see on our YouTube channel in the next days. Now let's go on with this tour, and I'm with Giusi. Giusi is a proud native of Collesano, of course. It's her hometown, and so let's move to the castle. So we are in an old street, one of the oldest streets that we have here in Collesano. And
I would like to give a big kiss and hug to my cousins who live in USA.
Wow! Everyone get relatives in the States.
Enzo Castellana, Michelangelo, Nina, Nino, Nunzia, etc. And in Michigan, in Detroit, and Anna Muscarella in New York.
Wow, a lot of Sicily lovers all around the world, of course.
I went to USA with my mom, 20 years old. And my first expression when I arrived in USA is wow. Oh, in USA all is big.
Everything is big for a Sicilian, of course.
Opposite in streets, houses with a big garden and swimming pool.
Dimmi.
And
Sono in diretta, si sente? Oh, Gianca is calling me to check if everything is okay. Guys, put your thumbs up for Gianca. Okay, I will try. So, it's time to put Gianca.
Aspetta che
Okay, you are live, Gianca.
This is Gianca. I'm very happy to say hello to all my friends all around the world. I'm in Carini now. I'm so sorry to not to be in Collesano with Rossella, but my heart is with you.
I'm a free woman.
Enjoy the tour of Collesano. I'm also live.
So,
Rossella, please go ahead.
yes.
Forget about me.
Let's say hello to Gianca. I miss you, Gianca. It's not true, guys, of course, but I have to say, Gianca, I miss you. Okay, Gianca. I miss you. See you later.
Yes.
Ciao. Guys, I'm a free woman. Gianca called me to check me, maybe. Let's go. antiche e frisco, finalmente c'è antiche e frisco.
Ci vuole, ci voleva.
Guys, it's very hot here in Sicily because we are suffering the Scirocco wind from Africa. And look at the sky. The sky is not blue, it's gray. I miss my blue beautiful Sicilian sky. So maybe when it's going to rain, the sky will be clear again.
This is another street.
Salutiamo signora, buona domenica.
Siamo in diretta con l'America, con un po' tutto il mondo. Grazie.
Oh, c'è una Vespa. Andiamo a bere la Vespa, guys.
Vai.
Vespa.
Vabbè.
Wow.
Vicchiaredda.
Arrivederci.
Ciao.
Ave Maria.
Ah, visto. This is the major of the same patron saint of Collesano.
So which is the name of the patron saint?
Qual è il nome della santa? Maria Santissima dei Miracoli.
Maria Santissima dei Miracoli. Signora, che fa?
Buon pomeriggio!
Mi presta sto ventaglio, che mi sono scianticchia pure io.
Susciamo.
So Collesano is very authentic, as you can see, and it's we can say untouched. No, it's a little gem in the Madonie area. Everyone.
Buon pomeriggio!
Di figlio
frisco con geve, Siamo in diretta con America, è un buon a tutto il mondo, quindi arriva pure Dario, vedi? Pure America arriva!
Io ti vengo qua, l'anno prossimo tutti vengono qua. Guys, arrivederci, buona domenica. I told them that next year every one of you, every Sicily lover will come to Sicily, and of course don't miss the opportunity to enjoy our Sicily Lovers tour is waiting for you. June 2022, you can visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com, check the navigator bar, help me with vacation packages, and you can discover this amazing tour, 12 days of happiness, relax, food, wine, fun experiences with locals, everything. Philip, a ti aspettiamo, ti volemo un Sicily Lovers Tour, I'm waiting for you. Join our Sicily Lovers Tour next June.
Vieni. This is the church of the Saints Sebastian and Fabiano, founded in the second half of the 15th century. It was a single nave. The most important masterpieces are an interesting wooden statue of Saint Sebastian and a dead Christine horn. And now I come to the castle. Riprende un po' qua. Street Castle.
Salita Castello. So it's the street to reach the castle. As we told you, Collesano is a medieval village, and you can see the narrow street that belongs to this period. And now we are approaching a beautiful landscape because we are surrounded by the Madonie Nature Reserve, and so you can enjoy a peaceful atmosphere here in Collesano. Ciao Lina, ciao Nerina.
Che dicono?
Questi sono amici nostri che parlano
sì?
tutti siciliano.
Messica, i siciliani, finalmente! Ciao!
This is the biggest and the most beautiful community of Sicily lovers in the world.
Allora, dobbiamo salire qua. Senta qui.
Joe Bordonaro, Gianca, have a nice cold mojito waiting for Rosella. Gianca is, I think he's drinking a mojito. Yes, you are right. And for me, the hard part, I have to work and Gianca is drinking a mojito. I'm sure about this. Again, let me say thanks to Daniela for these beautiful crochet earrings. The coffa. Coffa is our typical Sicilian bag. And of course, the biggest and the first 100 Sicily lover story is waiting for you. It's coming soon. Be ready. Wow.
The origin of Collesano date from the Arab period. In the past, it was located at the top of the mountain, Monte d'Oro. Today, some archaeological finds are visible in the Museum Salinas in Palermo. In 1063, the Normans, in particular the king Ruggero II, destroyed the old Arab fortress on the mountain Monte d'Oro, and they built in this point a new castle. And all around.
So this is the rest of the castle.
The ruins.
The
ruins. And all around developed the early populated group called the Borgo Bagherino. Later, the vast county of Collesano was a feudal dominion of many principal Sicilian families. The most important are Cicala, Ventimiglia, Cardona, Moncada. This medieval castle in the past has undergone several transformations. After the 1693 earthquake, it was uninhabitable. Today, there are only ruins, and before this pandemic, it was used for some events. Evening music party, etc.
And this is the touristic office?
Yeah. And in front of there is a church of Santa Maria la Vecchia. It is dedicated to the Virgin of the Assumption, and it was 3 naves with a presbytery decorated by frescoes and stuccos with the story of the Virgin by the painter of Collesano, Giovanni Giacomo Lovacchi. This is the castle. Questo era di qua. In this church there is also a Virgin with the Child by Antonello Gaggini, and from this church every year starts the penitential procession called the Acerca with the 40 stations of the cross. On the morning of Saint Friday, during this procession, all the participants wear a white tunic, white hood, and a brown cloak. And this is another fountain.
Chi fa
La rifrescavo. Ah, troppo cavolo c'è, vero? Mamma mia.
Guys, what do you think? Another undiscovered gem. Sicily is an island, but we used to say that it's a little continent full of things to do, to see. And if you want to have an idea of the best things to do in Sicily and the best places to visit, you can check our Sicily Lovers Tour. It will take place in June 2022, and visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com and check, because an amazing tour is waiting for you, and you will discover Sicily in the most relaxing way possible, and so it's waiting for you. Giusi, ora non mi porti?
Ora ti porto a mangiare.
Mia, vai più bella!
Scusa.
Gianca, are you listening? They will bring me to eat some local cheese and cold cuts, so it's time to enjoy the food.
Mangiare.
Mica, Gianca, mi
To
dispiace
eat.
pittia. Gianca,
People-
for you nothing, nothing for you.
Sicilian people eat always.
Mangio io, a tia nenti, chisto, tu ti vivi un mojito e io mi mangio
La cassatina, un formaggio, la salsiccia asciutta, un salame.
So the third part is dedicated to the food.
The food and the ceramic. And Targa Florio.
Okay, so this is
This
the
is the
time.
end.
Okay, so guys, this is the end of the second part. So see you when?
See you
in 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
So 10 minutes you have the time to refresh yourself, to take a coffee. I need to drink some water. And so see you in 10 minutes to enjoy the last part of this live broadcast dedicated to Collesano. In the meantime, don't forget to share this live broadcast with your friends and put your thumb up if you like. So it's time to say love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. See you in 10 minutes.
Bye.
Ciao,
See you later.
ciao, dear Sicily lovers. Ciao, dear Sicily lovers. Welcome to the third part of this live broadcast. It's time to drive here in Collesano. So let's experience this driving in Collesano. Are you
Ti
ready?
mancava questa.
Three dangerous ladies are driving here in Collesano. So this is the third part of this live broadcast. If you miss the first and the second part, you can check our previous live broadcast. Let's go!
Madonie.
Lecca quanto belli cristiani si pigliano un frisco. Salutiamo che siamo in diretta, salutiamo!
America, America. Ciao Nino.
Un neghiè! Oh, dai che bella sta fontana! Come si chiama sta bella fontana?
Fountain of Four Taps.
Ok. Salutiamo! Saluti! Ciao! People, I think that people of Collesano think that we are three crazy women. Salutiamo! Ciao ciao!
This is the Princess Street.
So this is the main street
the main
of
street.
Collesano,
Yeah.
and the name is
Corso Vittorio Emanuele in via Roma.
so Corso Vittorio Emanuele and via Roma.
This is a panel.
This is dedicated to Targa Florio because, as we told you, Collesano is very famous because it belongs to the Targa Florio circuit, and
Ceramic.
and of course is also an old place very famous for the pottery. Other people enjoying their Sunday moments.
Buongiorno, buonasera, buonasera.
And the young generation.
There is also a museo of Targa Florio. Sì, sì. There is an important museum.
We can park.
Yeah? Yeah.
I have to try a park.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Perfetto. Vai Ale. Abbiamo fatto una ripresa in paese con la macchina. Sì. Sì, sì.
Mi piace to drive in Collesano.
Sì.
Buonasera.
Vuoi vedere quello? Allora. Guarda quello. Possiamo mettere pure la vicina, pure la scalinata. Allora. Collesano is also famous for the ceramic and the Targa Florio, the oldest car races in the world. There is also an important museum of Targa Florio that inside conserves a lot of old photos, original clothes donated by the pilots, and some videos reproducing the old races in different years. In this village there are different panels that reproduce a particular moment of this old race, like this.
Targa Florio was founded by Vincenzo Florio in 1906. So that's why it's the oldest car race. And now
the ceramic of Collesano is characterized by two colors, up green and down yellow. And the panel this panel was made by a local artist, Gio Manganello. And there are in Collesano 3 shops of ceramic, Iaquetta and Manganello Art inside the village, and Cottomeli out. The ceramic in the past was worked in all the places situated in the old parts of Collesano called the stazione. And now Pinzama panza.
Oh, finally it's time to eat and drink something. Oh, I'm sorry for you, Gianca.
But
Gianca is very lucky because he's drinking a mojito without me. But also I'm lucky because I'm free today. Not only you, Gianca, are free.
This is an old pastry of Collesano. And
Bar Sport.
Oh, qui c'è Domenico, saluta che siamo America, in diretta d'America, sì, sì, sì. È un mio cugino, hai visto?
Chi ti stai vivendo?
Chi ti sta
Granita.
Ah, Granita. Questo cavolo ci sta, vero? Noi oggi ora ne mangiamo a cassatina. Salve, ciao Giù!
Ciao, ciao!
Siamo in diretta dall'America. E non solo.
Allora, che cosa ci fate vedere di buono?
Il dolce tipico,
Sì.
cassatina,
This is...
con la ricotta,
Okay, allora this is okay. Allora this is the name is Cassatina, and it's typical local sweet of Collesano. Allora, oh Mario, buonasera!
Allora, che mi fate mangiare
Allora.
eri buono?
Allora, vieni qua in
Lei col dialetto ci lavora molto bene.
Perfetto, I'm a proud Sicilian, so I can speak in Sicilian.
Ok. Ma
Ci
sicuramente
faccio-
faremo assaggiare il nostro
Ecco, visto, guarda.
cavallo di battaglia, che è la cassatina della regina Giorgio quadrato. È completamente sul
Meglio se me la escono.
Sì, 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 sì. Hai visto? Da che sta arrivando. Hai visto? Allora,
Enjoy!
You want to say something about this
this biscuit inside a cream of ricotta and this is recovered of the glaze of sugar and finally at the top the cherry.
We have to try.
Assaggia, mangia, vedi che mangi.
So
Vedi che mangi.
let's open
Facci il
live
latte
with
di
you.
coco, vabbè, un mozzicone.
Metà e metà? Metà e metà, half and half.
Vai. Rompela. Ah, madre mia. Hai visto? Vi vedi il ricotta che c'è da Indra.
Fresh ricotta. I can wait to test.
Ci sta facendo venire un languorino qui. Com'è, Amoni? Come sta questa cosa?
Oh, yummy.
Come su dolce? Buono,
It's very crunchy on the bottom. And the cream is very sweet and soft on the top, so it's a perfect combination. Giusi, tu mangi?
Ah, te la
Metà?
assaggio pure anticchia, un bezzurdo. Sennò...
E poi che mi state preparando? È per
Ma
me?
sicuramente dopo la cassatina, come dire, dopo
Ci vuole pure vivere.
ci vuole l'accompagnamento.
Al drink.
È quello mio che mi stai preparando?
Sì, certo.
Allora aspetta. Allora, che cos'è?
In
E
diretta.
allora, associato alla The Queen, quindi alla regina, a ogni regina va il suo re, per cui abbiamo accoppiato il The King,
The name
il suo re.
is the king of this the cocktail.
So, the name of this cocktail is the Queen and the King.
E parliamo quindi di un cocktail
The
che
King.
fa risaltare i valori e i sapori della cassatina.
So, it's a perfect
Combination.
combination to pair with the casatina.
Ok.
This typical sweet.
Naturalmente in questo prodotto non possono mancare i nostri prodotti di Sicilia.
Certo.
E quindi parliamo della marsala, un prodotto poi agrumato, arancia, limoni,
Orange, lime.
lime
The
con
fruit,
un retrogusto di rosmarino.
So we have masala, lemon juice, orange juice and rosemary.
Marsala.
So first marsala.
Masala.
To go with the second with Grand Marnier, liquor of orange.
So Grand Marnier. fresh lemon juice of Sicily, of course. More is better.
After orange.
Fresh orange juice from Sicily. What is your name?
Mario.
Mario, thank you, Mario. And finally?
No, this is not final. This is another little bit Cabernet.
Okay.
It's time to drink for me.
Final angostura of peach.
What is it?
Angostura peach. This is my secret portion.
Ah. This is a secret, so you cannot share.
Absolutely.
You have to come to Collesano to discover the secret ingredients. Wow!
Beautiful.
Ma come loro non posso volere. Ok, abbiamo io. Sì. All'epoca era più sapore di là. Ora non lo so. C'è ancora, ma
Wow, we have to celebrate all together this live broadcast.
Ah, rosemary.
Oh.
Parfum.
Rosemary.
Yeah. Parfum.
For you.
Oh,
Thank
thank
you.
you very much.
Enjoy your time.
Ah.
Oh, it's time to toast all together, guys. Giusi, this is for you.
Ale. Okay.
Oh, this is the best time, of course.
Cocktail. Allora,
Giusi, thank you for this live broadcast. It's not the end, it's only the beginning of this third part. And it's time to toast with you guys.
la rifresca mauca.
Happy Sunday from Sicily! Cheers! 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 Grazie!
Grazie Mario.
Con te non possiamo brindare.
E io sono in servizio, capito?
So fresh, so
fresh.
tasty. But I have to drive to come back to Palermo, and so it's danger for me. Danger for me.
It's very slow, you know.
It's light, okay.
Buono era amore, bravo.
I can smell the citrus of Sicily, and of course I can smell the rosemary essence. Perfect for the summertime, and in particular for these hot days, because as I told you, we are suffering the Scirocco wind from Africa, and so the temperatures are very high.
L'ho visto a un'ora che non ti muovi da lì.
Ah, ma vedevi?
Eppure per non continuare, vero?
Yeah.
Quindi nell'amabile di gusta
Subito.
to the bottom, because we have to go on. So I have no time to drink this cocktail, so I have to drink to the bottom so fast. I can finish. Wait for me. So refreshing. I did. We can go now. Ragazzi, grazie mille.
Signori,
Grazie ancora, Mario.
È sempre un piacere avervi qua e quando siete di passaggio naturalmente non esitate a fermarvi.
Marco, giusto? Mario. Mario is waiting for you here in Sicily.
L'accoglienza non mancherà. Ciao!
Ciao, grazie. Complimenti, bravissimi.
Buono, vero?
Wow,
Ah, no.
a beautiful tasty stop. But this is not the end because we have another food stop to show you something really tasty. Oh, salutiamo qua tutti.
Rosa, saluta che siamo in diretta da America.
Salutiamo. Allora,
aspetta.
questa sa un bello proverbio in siciliano.
Ah, Indo.
Allora,
Uomo, ecco.
Anni moment. Lì che la gnusa e la una sanisa. Anna capire quella è la polizzana.
mettiti là più vicino perché non si sente.
Se ne dare. A Panzecatella la scendatara. Descia del Rocco è la carta uccisa. La meglio gioventù è la soprana. A non da banna lume core posa, sopra l'amante mia ratta ruciana. Bravo.
Bravo veramente.
Guarda questa.
No,
Medico, tutti buoni.
chi sono una sapia? Naucia Marisi.
Bravo veramente. Chi sono una scrivia?
Sogno top secret. This is a top secret mission.
Questi sono tutti gli americani in giro per il mondo che vogliono, non è top tanto. Non è tanto top.
Se ne seguono quasi 18.000 cristiani, giusto?
La sappiamo tutti dove va a finire.
They want to know who I am. This is a secret. It doesn't matter.
No,
Allora noi oggi continuiamo il Carsu Tour. Vi saluto.
Buon lavoro,
Grazie.
E grazie ancora.
Salutiamo.
Guarda quale canale.
Ne vedremo dopo.
Poi Dorico. Vedi come succa i cristiani, vedi questi cristiani della Sicilia avevano un cuore,
Yeah,
vero?
they are so friendly.
As
you can see.
Happy.
They are happy. They are friendly. This is the true Sicilian hospitality. Oh. So now it's time to take again the car. Voilà!
Sono in chiesa, se alle 7:30 la va a prendere lei tua mamma.
Va bene. Ok.
Can you take the camera, Giusi?
Ok.
Wow! A dangerous lady is driving, so everyone have to stop for me, waiting for me, because I'm the queen of Sicily.
Ok.
This way?
Sì, sì. Yeah. Ciao!
Driving in Collesano. Another church.
Another church. The Church of Santa Maria Gesù. Okay.
This way?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the Church of Santa Maria di Gesù and this is the cloister annexed to the church.
Dobbiamo parcheggiare qui?
Sì. Qui proprio. Hold it, stand up now. Ok. This is the Church of Santa Maria di Gesù, built in 1611 by the Count of Collesano. It was given to the friar that today they have managed it. It has one nave, and inside there is an important wooden crucifix realized in 1635 by Friar Umile from Petralia. This annexed to this church is a beautiful cloister. In the past, it was used for a monastery and then for prison. Renovated in 2005, today it is used for the library, the municipal historical archive, and also for the Proloco of Collesano. Go inside.
Wow, this is a cluster.
Siamo qui! Ecco! Siamo arrivati! Buonasera!
Ciao, I'm coming.
Vedi! The open space.
Wow, this is an amazing
This is
place.
another part of Proloco of Collesano.
We have to say thanks to Proloco. So these two
all the people that possible this happy day. And
thank you for hosting me.
And thank you to you for
It's my
this
pleasure.
invite. For all.
Thank you for your friendly hospitality. I can thank you.
It was a pleasure.
Enough. It's a really enjoyable day for me, and you are very sweet, kind.
Thank you so
You
much.
don't have to be shy because you are perfect, Giusi. So please
Thank you
send
so
your
much.
love to Giusi because Giusi is very shy with the camera, but.
Thank you to
You're
you.
wonderful. Oh, look at this.
This is a typical clothes. Sicilian clothes. Carretto siciliano. A coppola.
Wow. Our typical Sicilian hat called coppola. Our tambourine.
Tambourine.
And a typical Sicilian clothing.
And carretto siciliano.
And the Sicilian cart.
Mamma mia.
Ciao.
Bravi, complimenti a loro. Loro sono stati veramente.
Thank you for planning this amazing tour for me.
She is Maria.
Thank you, Maria. This is an amazing tour. Thank you for your hospitality. All the Sicily lovers that belongs to this community, this beautiful family, would like to say thank you. Thank you for this hospitality and for sharing your beautiful village.
Thank you to you. Allora, questo. Wow!
Questo è un cappello.
Homemade. Eh?
Guarda.
It's
What do you think, guys? So beautiful for me. Maybe we can include in our Sicily Lover online store. What do you think? Perfect for me. I'm a true queen with this hat.
Dai, ci facciamo una foto.
Aspetta che se lo mette pure lei. Aspetta.
Another beautiful hat for me.
Giviricchio.
It's very big for me. What do you think, guys?
Presa al volo.
Be careful, it's so big for me. Okay. I cannot see, but I think Wow!
Hai visto?
Servono le cose di carnevale. Tutto Sicily.
Vieni. Rosella, vieni. This is a typical ceramic of Collesano. Up green and down yellow. This is the two color of the ceramic of Collesano. And this is a cassatina che ne mangiamo. Chissà che non si mangia se non ti sa tenere rende.
La regina
means
the queen.
The queen.
So, this is for me. I'm the queen of Sicily lovers. Oh, and look at this, guys.
Che si mangia.
Wow. Guys, you have to come to Sicily to help us.
All biologico.
So, who
Tipo,
want to explain?
Ok. Allora,
Giusi, mi devi spiegare tutto, uno a uno.
Allora, this is a typical cheese of Collesano and this is a pane cunzato, quindi bread with extra virgin olive oil, and chi sei sarda siciliana
With anchovies.
Anchovies.
And cheese.
Olives.
Then we have olive.
Tomatoes.
Then we have dry tomatoes.
Ok. Questo sausages.
Then we have dry sausages.
Other type of cheese.
Wow, so many kind of cheese with different.
This is with the oregano.
So
cheese
this
with
is
oregano.
with oregano.
Oregano. And this is salame.
Wow.
Ora può mangiare.
Oh, it's too much for me.
Attento.
Guys, they told me I have to finish everything, but it's impossible. I need your help. So come to Sicily, please, and help me. I need your help.
Allora,
Giusi, di nuovo.
Allora, Collesano is green.
Why
Nature,
visit? Yes, again.
art,
So please.
history, and peace and relax. What does for a perfect vacation in Sicily?
So
Come to Collesano.
here in Collesano, you can find beautiful people like Giusi and the other ones. Friendly people. You can find, of course, terrific food. You can find, of course, great wine, and what else? A lot of peace. And so, if you come to Sicily, don't miss the opportunity to discover Collesano, a small believable village, an authentic, it's an undiscovered gem in the heart of Madonie Nature Reserve. It's about 1 hour and a half far from Palermo, so it's very enjoyable to reach by car. And of course, if you want to visit Sicily, we remind you that we can plan for you the perfect vacation. And if you want to enjoy a dream vacation, please visit our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com, and we look forward to taking care of you and help you plan your memorable trip to Sicily. Now it's time to say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, look at that corner, so beautiful. I'm sorry for you, Gianca, you are missing all this. Allora, ora a salutare tutti insieme e a dire love, hugs and kisses from Sicily.
Posso dire una cosa?
Certo.
Che i formaggi sono stati offerti dall'azienda di Spenza.
Ah, vero.
Grazie.
Questo. E il salame dalla macelleria Traina.
Grazie.
Poi ringraziamo la boutique della carne.
To everyone.
E poi c'è la ceramica Manganello che abbiamo fatto vedere. Esatto. Quindi ringraziamo tutti coloro che ci hanno dato una mano.
Thank you again. You
Proloco
are
e
so
tutti.
sweet. I can thank you enough. So thank you Proloco of Collesano for this wonderful experience.
And kiss from Sicily.
Allora, come a salutare tutti insieme.
From Sicily.
Dove mi posso mettere per inquadrarvi tutti?
Vabbè,
Posso salire qua? Posso salire?
Attenta.
Ok, mettetevi tutti
Allora.
dietro di me. Tutti qua dietro.
La facciamo? Ok. La facciamo?
So, it's time to say all together. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. From Collesano. Ciao, dear Sicily lovers. Happy Sunday from Sicily. Ciao.